Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of BB Essentials. In today's project, I'm going to show you guys how I upgraded my light fixture. For those of you who were impacted by this hurricane in Florida, I want you to know that you're not on your own. I have been praying for you guys. I have seen a lot of law enforcement officers traveling to Naples and Fort Myers. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I also want to take this time to apologize to you all for not being able to post a video for the past 2 weeks. My health was not the greatest. Thank you so much for being true to this channel. Now let's get started. For this DIY, I am using 2 Dollar Tree wire wreath, a wire mesh from my garage that I had for a very long time, some acrylic gemstones from Dollar Tree, and some crystals. As you guys continue to watch this video, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, please leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I use zip tie from Dollar Tree to attach my wire mesh with my wreath. After I was done shaping my chandelier, I gave it 2 coats of metallic spray paint and fill in my mesh with acrylic gemstones that I purchased from Dollar Tree. This process took a really long time, guys. If you ever recreate this DIY, please be patient. I promise you will love the end result. I cut a few strings of this old poster board. I gave it one coat of gold metallic spray paint, then I glued some gold rhinestones. This is it, guys. This is the end result of this DIY. I am absolutely in love with it. Please let me know what you guys think. This is before and after. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please click on the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Ciao, ciao.